Hello everyone. Today we are installing Cyberfox browser and Hackbar extension in Kali Linux. Open any browser and search Cyberfox browser. Then download from first site. You will find this link in description as well. After downloading the file, open downloads. To install Cyberfox, we have to open terminal here. Now write this command and paste the file name. This will extract the files and install Cyberfox browser. It's done. Also write this command which will download Hackbar extension from GitHub. You will also find all these commands in description as well. You will see this web shell folder which contains Hackbar extension. Now open Cyberfox browser. Here go in add-ons and click on install add-on from file. Then open this Hackbar XPI file from that folder. After installing, it will ask you to restart the browser. Hackbar extension is now successfully installed in our Cyberfox browser and now you can use its features. So this is how you can install Cyberfox browser and Hackbar extension in Kali Linux. I have also made a same video for Windows as well, whose link is also in video description. Check that out if you are a Windows user. Thanks for watching.